Alright, so the new thing from last night, just a reminder, the idea is to get you thinking about changing up rhythm while you're doing improv stuff, so kind of going between slow, medium, and fast-paced things. So before you start playing this to that backing track that I linked to you or emailed you last night, learn the piece first. So if you need to build it up with the metronome, definitely do so. I'd imagine the only part you really would need to do that for is this. Definitely take it to that note though. I guess the biggest thing here with that is just making sure you're alternate picking the whole time. But yeah, it's just going up and down that those first 6 notes in the A minor scale. And then we skip a note going back for that kind of resolved note there. So I'm going to play to that backing track. Hopefully everything's loud enough for hearing both things. Just so you can get an idea of how it kind of sounds over it. So I don't know if I'm going to play the whole backing track, but at least a few times through this exercise here. Remember, when you play to the backing track, you only have a count of 2. You have the hi-hat that goes tss, tss, and then it starts. So pull that up, and I'm going to play the exercise along to that. One more time. Now, so I want you to go through this at least one time, the whole track playing that. Just to really drill the idea in. And then start making up your own stuff. And follow the pattern. If you got a quarter note thing, then an 8th note, 16th note, back to 8th note. So you just kind of go from slow, go up in speed, and then come down in speed, and go back and forth. So I mean, you make it as simple as you need to. So you can make it as simple as this. And we back up a little bit. Make it that simple, that's fine. Maybe change a note at the end. So it doesn't have to be anything crazy. So basically, I mean, you can, if you want to start with just playing one note to really simplify it and just focus on how fast you're picking it, going between quarter, eighth note, and 16, that's fine. Make it work for you after you go through this exercise all the way through that backing track, and then start over the tracks, start the track over, and then start coming up with your own stuff when you got time. Still prioritize the stuff given to you on Monday, and then work on this new stuff after. So if you got questions on what to do, let me know. I'll see you again on Thursday.